Business goes green. Many cities around the world today are heavily polluted. Careless manufacturing processes employed in some industries and lack of consumer demand for environmentally safe products have contributed to the pollution problem. One result is that millions of tons of glass, paper, plastic, and metal containers are produced, and these are difficult to dispose of. However, today, more and more consumers are choosing green. They think the products they buy should be safe for the environment. Before they buy a product, they ask questions like, will this hairspray damage the ozone layer? Can this metal container be recycled, or can it be used once? A recent survey showed that 3 out of 5 adults now consider the environmental safety of a product before they buy it. This means that companies must now change the way they make and sell their products to make sure that they are green, that is, friendly to the environment. Only a few years ago, it was impossible to find green products in supermarkets, but now there are hundreds. Some supermarket products carry labels to show that the product is green. The concern for a safer and cleaner environment is making companies rethink how they do business. No longer will the public accept the old attitude of buy it, use it, throw it away, and forget it. The public pressure is on, and gradually business is cleaning up its act.